these connecting pieces here, sometimes it leaks through there, something accidentally gets twisted and pulled apart, it might not be fully locked in place. So check these to make sure these are all locked in place. Here is also a spot where things become like wiggled. If this wiggles out and gets a little loose, then there's like air seeping through, then that could be a leak source. So you just want to push this down in there really good. Or if it comes completely out, I've had it one time, a patient like knocked it and it felt like it was fine, but then I like pushed it down farther and you can feel a little click to go in. So always check this to make sure it's securely in there. If all of that looks great, then the source might be you, meaning the bandage on here is not sealed as tightly as it should be. So there's a little bit of air leaking into there. So you would push down the plastic and make sure it's all sealed onto you tightly. Okay? If you're doing all of that troubleshooting and using the book, which tells you how to do all this troubleshooting, and you're not getting anywhere, there is a 1-800 number. I think it's on this last page here. So you can call and somebody will walk you through exactly the same thing that's written in here, what I just discussed, okay? But there's pictures and all of that too.
So you charge it when it gets halfway?
I always say at least halfway.
And you charge it, do you charge it overnight or what do you do?
Yeah, I'm not sure exactly how long that it takes to charge, but I don't be trying to charge it while you need to be up and moving places, right? So overnight, since you're just laying there sleeping, you'll have a nice long stretch of not needing to be moving. So I always think that that's a good opportunity to charge it.
And what's that for? What does that go to?
This is the wound vac, so it's collecting any drainage from the surgical site. So I'll show you that in a second. So it's over top of the nipple grafts.
Yeah, it's on over my nipples.
Okay.
Yep. So here's your battery life, the 7 days. So, and then, you know, all of your troubleshooting and how to charge it. So the low battery alert will go off if you get any of those leak alarms. That's what that is as well.
Okay.
So that is going to be your troubleshooting for that. Okay. You feeling okay enough that we can show your dressing?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't want you to, you know, if you're feeling super sick here. Okay. So this wound vac goes to the purple sponges, okay? So those purple sponges are in there and then sucked down, so they're kind of hard to the touch. If you have a leak here, the sponges become like, think of it as like a wet sponge in your sink. It's a little more squishy and like puffs out a little bit more because it's not tightly like compacted, okay? So this clear bandage